Hey. So I got in a couple of orders. I went to Whole Foods today in my keto bakery, and I want to show y'all what I got right here. I made me a chia seed pudding bowl right here. It has grounded chia seeds, flax seeds, grounded flax seeds, coconut flakes, monk fruit sweetener, some vanilla flavor, oat milk, and then on top it's some peanut butter, organic peanut butter. Right here. And a baby banana, which is these. And then some hemp seeds. And from what I tasted, it tastes pretty good. So I can't wait to eat. I just got in the house not long ago and I packed all my stuff. So this is my Whole Foods order. This stuff costed about $90. Where, I don't know, but I got me some pistachios, some baby bananas, some almond butter for my bowls that I'm gonna start making. I'm gonna also start making some Buddha bowls as well. So I got me some green lentils, spelt and long grain brown rice. I am low carb, not necessarily keto, but there are certain things I cut out that are keto. I got some chickpeas. I got some tahini. I got this shirataki rice. I also have the noodles too, but I haven't tried them yet. I got me 2 mangoes. I also want to try these milks by Malk. It's an organic almond milk, vanilla, unsweetened, very clean ingredients. So it's just water, organic sprouts and almonds, organic vanilla flavor derived from vanilla beans and Himalayan sea salt. It's non-dairy as well. Here's the nutrition facts on it. So I'm glad I found this. I found this through Bobby Parrish. I watch a lot of his videos. He's very good at telling you what's good and looking at the ingredients, going to the supermarkets. And I also got this creamer as well. And here's the ingredients: filtered water, organic oats, organic almonds, organic flaxseed, organic vanilla flavor derived from vanilla beans and salt. As you can see, low carbs, very low calories, low fat, no added sugars. So one is an almond milk and one is a creamer. I got a purple cabbage, some organic blueberries, tomatoes. I got some broccolini. I got some Easter egg radishes, some coconut flakes for my bowls. Y'all know I gotta find my snacks some way, somehow, so I got these. Got some almonds for my bowls. My hemp seeds. Got these little low sugar lollipops. Hopefully I don't eat the whole bag tonight. Then from this company called Phat Foods, I read great reviews about them. It's like a keto-based bakery out of California. So I got the bread. Here's the ingredients. And somewhere, here's the ingredients. So you can see, really clean. I think the bread was $7.99. What shocked me is this daggone loaf, because I could have swore it was going to be the same size as the bread, but it wasn't. So this is her pumpkin chocolate chip loaf right here. And here's the nutrition facts on it and the ingredients. But you could go onto their site. She ships them in these things right here. Then I went to my keto bakery and got a few things. So I got these. I wanted to try these chocolates. I like hazelnuts. by Chalk Zero. I love these little chips right here. It's not my first time having them, so I went and got me some of those. I'm gonna order these off of Amazon because they're expensive. Getting them a single bag, I think it was like $3.50 or $2.50 a bag. I got my order in from Kbosh of my crust. I also found this new company called Pork Came Good, and they have pork rind crumbs that you can cook with. You don't have to no longer crush up your pork rinds you get from the store. They have different flavors. I wanted to try it, so I just got one, shipped very quick. And then I got my order from Perfect Keto of my collagen, and I got two, as you can see back there. So this is what came in today. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Whole Foods, Kbosh, Pork King, Perfect Keto, Real Fat Foods, Chalk Zero, Kbosh, Chips. And I'm out. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Peace.